Hi, my name is Cameron, helping you navigate through RCA HousePoints app. The RCA HousePoints app is here to connect you to your child's achievements and your school's community. Let's dive in. After installing the RCA HousePoints app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, open the app and click on the Guardian option. Here, you will press the option to create account. You will add the credentials from the Guardian letter you obtained from your kid or the email you received from the school's administration to create your account. These credentials consist of a school and student code. If you are a staff member that is also a guardian, you will need two separate accounts, as email addresses cannot be duplicated. Fortunately, once logged into both accounts, you can easily toggle between the both without logging in and out. We typically recommend that you use your work email for your staff account and your personal email for your guardian account. Once logged in, you will see an overview of your child's dashboard where you can see your child's point entry. Each entry includes the date, the activity, and the points awarded. It's an awesome way to keep track of your child's achievements. If you have 2 or more students at the school, you can click the top right corner and add them using the codes designated for them. If you want to look at your child's house performance, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Here, you can see the current standings of each house. It's a fun way to encourage a little friendly competition. If your child uses the original RCA houses, you can also see the global leaderboard to see how each house is doing worldwide. The messaging feature and feed are 2 new additions to the app, allowing you to stay conveniently connected with teachers for communication anytime and to view all posted school announcements. Now, let's move along to account settings, where you can manage your profile and turn on the notifications. You can update your contact information, change your password, and more. Don't forget to enable your notifications in the app and on your phone settings to stay updated on your child's progress in school events. All right, that's a quick tutorial for the RCA HousePoints app. It is a simple yet powerful tool to keep you connected with your child's journey.